Thank you very much, wonderful people, for tuning in to my videos. Just a quick video. What I'm doing at the moment, just going to short introduction about myself. So my name is Abdul. I'm from the UK, and at the moment, I'm just starting out a new phase in my life where I want to eventually quit my work, my job. Currently work two jobs now. Work 6 days a week. I just want to quit those two jobs and be financially free, financially independent, and so I can do whatever I want. I love doing. Follow my dreams. I have so much things that I want to achieve in terms of dreams and other works that I want to do, I want to achieve as well. So, just a quick one. How are you guys doing anyway? Thank you so much once again. I'm going to try and look at the camera instead of the screen. I do apologize for that. Thank you once again for following me, subscribing. Please, this video will be also on my Instagram page as well. If you want to go ahead and check over my Instagram, the link will be down below in the description, so please do check it out. We've got contents, quality contents out there. It's great. I'm sending you so much love and higher vibration out to you guys. I know it sounds a bit weird, but trust me, you guys are amazing. And I just want to quickly share what I'm doing on a daily basis. So I'm going to share with you right now. So what I'm doing right now at the moment, I haven't done yet. So I just got myself a notebook, and all you need is a notebook and a pen. And what I'm going to start doing now is write notes. Sorry, not notes. Write what I need to do the next day. So every evening I'll write down what I need to do for the next day, make a checklist of what needs to be done, and when it comes to that day, I will basically check it out, tick it out. And also I'm going to start reading more. I'm sure you guys heard readers are leaders, blah blah blah. It is true, certain point, certain extent, I believe, in my opinion anyway. So even if you do read, you've got to implement what you read, and the whole point of reading is you've got to implement that whatever you read. So if it's a self-help book, it's a self-development book, you read it, you implement it in your life, then yes, you are following what the book says. At the same time, you'll be teaching that to your followers that will follow you, that will make you a leader. So you got to implement it. So at the moment, I will be starting reading this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It is a well-known book. Sold over 16 million copies already. I'm sure it's growing. Now, I'll be honest with you, totally honest with you. I bought this book about a couple of years ago, maybe, and I probably read it up to. I'll show you. I made a. So I bent the page there. So creased the page there. So that's how much I read it up to. Yeah, that's it. And I just gave up. And now I'm going to start from the beginning, and I'm going to start reading. Now, if you just going into reading or reading after a long time, what I suggest, and what I'm going to do that for myself as well, is read at least 1 to 2 pages a day, and that will be easy for you to digest, and it won't be too overwhelming for you. Or 4 pages a day. So 2 pages during the day, 2 pages during the night, like that. But I'm going to start with 2 pages, and then gradually gonna increase my daily reading on a daily basis. So that's what I'm going to do. So take notes on your notepad on the evening, the evening before. Take a note what you want to do, and check it off the next day, and then read a book. So in my case, I'm reading this book. I've got other books as well I'm going to read as well. So And there are other fantastic books out there, but obviously I can tell you, but you know, I don't know. I haven't read it, so once I've read this, I will tell you how good it is and give you a review of that. And yeah, just as I said, it's a quick video, guys. I'm not going to keep you for too long. Please, please, please subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and please do share it. If you found it beneficial for you guys, please do. And as I said, you know, I've got my link down there, what I'm